Hello and welcome to my YouTube channel Excel 4E Concession. Go to the instruction file. So assignment title is the Excel 4E Concession. If you want to complete assignment or exam, you can contact on my WhatsApp link and email. If you want to complete MylTLab courses, it's Microsoft Excel, Microsoft Word, Microsoft PowerPoint, and Microsoft Access. We can do online courses, accounting, math, stat, finance, economics, and other courses. We can move to the question number 1. So question number 1 is a start action. From the file you downloaded with this project, open the file student Excel 4E concession. We go to the Excel worksheet. I have already downloaded the Excel file. We can move to the question number 2. So question number 2 is a click a cell A2, insert the last recommended pivot table sum of amounts by parks, add the month field to the row area below the park and item field in the column area, and then close the pivot table fields. Is the pivot park display above the month? In a click a cell A2 and last the recommended pivot table is the sum of amounts by park. Go to the insert tab, go to the recommended pivot table and sum of amounts, add the sum of amount by park. Sum of amount by a park. Sum of amount by park, click OK. And add the month field row area, month field to row area, month field is the row area, and below the park, and then item field is the column area. Item field is the column area. Move and drag the column area, the item is the item field is the column area, and then close the pivot table field. Pivot table field. Month field is the row area and item field is column area, and then close the pivot table field. So question number 2 is the complete. We can move to the question number 3. So question number 3 is a insert a two slicer, one for the park field and one for the item field. Move the slicer so that are right of pivot table. Apply the lavender slicer style light 4 and park slicer light orange slicer style 6 item slicer. Insert the two slicer, one of the park field and item field. Go to the insert tab, click the slicer is the one of the park field and one of the item field. Park field and one of the item field, click OK. And one of the item field, move the slicer so that are right pivot table. Move the slicer so that are the right pivot table. Move the slicer is the right side of the pivot table and apply the lavender slicer style light 4 on the park slicer slide. Select the park slicer and apply the lavender slicer style light 4. Go to the slicer tab, go to the slicer style group, click the lavender slicer style 4, lavender slicer style light 4. vendor slicer style light force, click OK. And light orange slicer style light 6 is the item slicer. Select the item slicer and apply the orange slicer style light 6. Orange slicer, orange, light orange slicer style 6. Light orange slicer style 6. So question number 3 is complete. We can move to the question number 4. So question number 4 is use the slicer to the filter pivot table by the Memorial Park and then by the Goffy. Filter by the pivot table by the Memorial Park and Goffy. Memorial Park and Golfy. Golfies and then Golfies and change the number format, number category, display the 0 decimal places and then 1000 spectra. Change the number format to the number category, display the 0 decimal places, the 1000 spectra. Go to the pivot table analyze. Go to the pivot table analyze tab and click the field list. And field list is the number formats, number category, some amount is the, click the value field settings, number, and click the number and display the 0 decimal places and the 1000 spectra. Decimal places 0 decimal places and use the 1000 spectra, click OK and again OK. And move the park slicer its upper left corner in cell E3. Park slicer is move and drag the cell E3. Park slicer is park slicer is the move and drag the cell is E3 and move the item slicer to upper left corner, align the upper left corner of the in the cell H3. Item slicer is the go to move and drag the in the cell H3. So question number 4 is complete. We can move to the question number 5. So question number 5 is make a copy for this worksheet and rename the copy worksheet is the Memorial Golfies and insert the footer with the file name is the left section, change the orientation landscape and set the width of one page and center sheet is the worksheet horizontally. Make a copy the worksheet. Make the copy of the worksheet. Right click, click the move or copy, click a create a copy, click OK. And rename the copy worksheet is the Memorial Golfies. And right click, click the rename, paste the Memorial Golfies, press enter button. And insert the footer with the file name left section. Insert the custom and footer, go to the page load tab, go to the page setup group, click the custom header and click the custom footer, left section the file name, click OK and again OK. File name is the left section. Change the orientation is the landscape. Orientation is the landscape and width of one page center the horizontally is the worksheet. Width of one page one page and center the worksheet horizontally. Margin and center the worksheet horizontally. Click OK. So question number 5 is the complete. We can move to the question number 6. So question number 6 is rename the sheet 1 is the concession revenue. Copy the concession revenue, rename the sheet 1. Right click, click the rename and paste the concession revenue. And then clear the filter, remove the slicer. Click the clear the filter and remove the slicer. Right clicks and remove the parks and right click, click the remove item. And filter and remove the slicer. In a cell A1 is the third quarter per concession revenue. Copy the title. Third quarter per concession revenue. Selected cell A1 and paste the title and apply the title cell style. Go to the home tab, go to the style group, click the title cell style. So question number 6 is a complete. We can move to the question number 7. So question number 7 is a display the field list and then remove the month field is the row area. Display the grand total for each box. Each item closes the pivot table field pane. Display the field list. And display the field list. Remove the month field is the row area. Move the month field is the row area and display the grand total for each item and close the and display the grand total. So grand total, display the grand total and close the pivot table fields. Close the pivot table field. So question number 7 is a complete. We can move to the question number 8. So question number 8 is a insert the pivot charts using the stack column charts type and click the design tab. Change the chart type column and then click the stack column. Move the chart to the new worksheet name is the concession charts. Insert the pivot charts. Go to the insert tab and go to the pivot charts. Click the pivot charts and stack column charts. Type the in the stack column charts. Click OK. Stack column charts. Click OK. Move the chart new sheet name is the concession charts. Copy the new worksheet is concession charts. Right click and move the charts and new sheet name is the concession charts. Click OK. So our question number 8 is a complete. We can move to the question number 9. So question number 9 is apply the layout 3. Change the layout on the chart style is 5 as the chart title is the third quarter concession revenue, and then insert the custom footer with the file name in the last section. Hide all field button on the chart is necessary. Apply the layout 3. Go to the format tabs, design tabs and chart layout. Click the quick chart layout tab is the layout 3 charts. Go to the layout 3 charts and chart style is the 5. Go to the chart style group, click the chart style is 5, and layout and chart style 5. Chart style is 5. As the chart title is the third quarter concession revenue. Copy the chart title and paste the chart title. And then insert the custom footer with the file name left section. Hide all field button on the chart it's necessary. Go to the page layout tab and go to the page setup group. Click the custom header and footer. Create the custom footer. So custom footer is the left section in the file name. Left section, center section and right section. Click the file name is the left section. Click OK and again OK. And hide the all of the field button on the chart if it's necessary. Hide the all field buttons. Go to the pivot charts analyze and field button is the hide all field button. Hide all field button on the charts. Go to the PivotTable analyze and hide all field button on the chart. So question number 9 is complete. We can move to the question number 10. So question number 10 is hides the park concession worksheet, display the concession revenue sheets, hides the park concession worksheets, hides the park concession worksheet. Right click and click the hides and display the concession revenue sheets, concession revenue worksheets, and insert the footer with the file name on the left section. Insert the custom footer left section, the file name. Go to the page layout tab, go to the page setup group, click the header and footer, create the custom footer, left section the file name, click OK and again OK. And change the orientation is the landscape. Orientation is the landscape, and width is the one page, width of the one page, and center the sheet is horizontally. Go to the page layout tab, go to the page setup group, click the margin is the center the horizontally, click OK. So question number 10 is complete. We can move to the question number 11. So question number 11 is display the property as tax type the concession revenue and then subject types your course name and section number. Copy the concession revenue as the tags. Go to the file tab, go to the info, and the tag is the concession revenue. Press enter button and subject your course name and code section. So question number 11 is complete.